What's the best white sugar alternative for your health? In today's video, we will be diving into the world of sugar alternatives and exploring the best options for your health. As we all know, reducing our intake of white sugar is crucial for maintaining overall well-being. Excessive consumption of white sugar has been linked to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Luckily, there are plenty of alternatives available that can satisfy your sweet tooth without the negative effects of white sugar. Join us as we discuss the impact of sugar on our health and the numerous benefits of incorporating healthier alternatives into our diets. Let's make the switch to a sweeter, healthier lifestyle together. Please be aware that the information provided in this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. If you experience any symptoms of illness, please consult with your doctor. Understanding white sugar. White sugar, while commonly used in many households, can have significant impacts on our health when consumed in excess. One of the main concerns is its effect on blood sugar levels, leading to spikes and crashes that can disrupt our energy levels and overall well-being. Additionally, the addictive nature of white sugar can make it challenging to control cravings and manage weight effectively. Furthermore, white sugar has been linked to inflammation in the body, which can contribute to various health issues such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. By understanding the pros and cons of consuming white sugar in our daily diet, we can make informed choices to prioritize our health and explore healthier alternatives for a balanced lifestyle. Exploring alternatives. When it comes to replacing white sugar in your diet, there are plenty of natural and healthier alternatives to choose from. Honey, known for its rich flavor and natural sweetness, is packed with antioxidants and offers various health benefits. Stevia, a zero-calorie sweetener derived from the stevia plant, is a great option for those looking to cut down on sugar without sacrificing taste. Dried fruits such as dates and raisins provide a natural sweetness along with fiber and essential nutrients. Sugarcane, in its raw form or as a juice, offers a sweet taste while retaining some of its natural minerals. Each alternative has a different impact on the body, with varying glycemic indexes that can cater to different dietary needs. To incorporate these alternatives into your daily meals, consider adding honey to your morning oatmeal, using stevia in your coffee, or baking with dried fruits for a healthier dessert option. Experiment with these alternatives to find what works best for you and enjoy the benefits of a reduced sugar intake. Comparing health benefits. When it comes to choosing the best sugar alternative for your health, it's essential to consider how each option impacts your body. Alternatives like honey and stevia have a lower impact on blood sugar levels and insulin response compared to white sugar, making them suitable choices for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Certain alternatives, such as honey and some dried fruits, contain antioxidants that can help combat inflammation in the body, promoting overall health and well-being. Additionally, taste preferences and practicality play a significant role in selecting the best alternative for your needs. While some may prefer the rich flavor of honey in their tea, others may opt for the convenience of stevia in their morning coffee. By weighing the health benefits and practical considerations of each alternative, you can make informed choices that align with your health goals and preferences. Reducing white sugar intake is crucial for improving overall health outcomes and preventing various health issues. By opting for natural alternatives like honey or stevia, we can enjoy the sweetness we crave without the negative effects of white sugar. These alternatives offer benefits such as lower impact on blood sugar levels, potential antioxidant properties, and overall better health outcomes. It's important to remember that small changes in our diet can lead to significant long-term health benefits. By making informed choices and incorporating healthier alternatives into our daily meals, we can take a proactive approach towards improving our well-being. So next time you reach for a sweet treat, consider reaching for a natural alternative to white sugar for a healthier and happier you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content to stay informed and motivated on your wellness journey.